I wanted to show you this so you can learn from my electrical mistake. I run all this circuit here. This goes over to that workbench over there. You can't see through that stuff, but there it is. And it feeds off of this receptacle, which feeds off of that receptacle. I ran that down, feeds off of that receptacle, feeds off of that one, which faces the other way, because I didn't have any receptacles on the other side either. And then that receptacle to that receptacle to that receptacle to that receptacle. So got all these receptacles. It's going to be great. Got power coming from the 200 amp box. Comes from way over there, hits that receptacle, which still works. But when it gets over here and goes to this junction box, it's split off and power up all this and power up this, which this was working. But after I got done with it, it don't work. And this light is connected to it so that, you know, if there is power, the light will come on and I can see, oh, there's power, the light's on. But it doesn't work because I've messed it up. I screwed up something. Let me show you what I screwed up, what I found, in case you have this problem. You hook all this up. The power is the black, right? Well, there ain't nothing wrong with the black. They're all touching each other. They all look really nice and shiny. And they're exactly the same length. They touch. But when you check out the white ones, you see what's wrong there? Yep. This one, not just the tip, but the wire itself is a little too short. It's not sticking down here. It's not even touching these. And that's the one that's bringing power into the junction box. So I've got to cut, strip, and redo that to where it looks more like this configuration right here. So, okay, so I'm going to go throw the breaker. I've got that little air compressor there, which is noisy. And this light here, which is bright. So there should be noise and light when I throw this breaker. Wish me luck. Well, there's light. So there's power going somewhere, but I don't hear any noise. Did I not turn the switch on for the... Oh, yeah, I didn't have the switch in the on position. I had it in off. Well, we have power. So I'm just go down the line and check every one of these. Well, of course, power goes through that one to that one and then to this one. So we know there's power going to those, but I'll check them anyway. But I'm just going to go through these one at a time and check them all. Let's just go to the very end and check that. This had this really tore up, ugly, old, low amperage, like 15 amp in there. I put all 20 amp stuff in there. USA made. Good. I put that in there upside down on purpose because there's cute metal stuff here and sometimes it falls over. Whoa! I got power at the workbench now. Now I can plug in my table. See, my table's got all these outlets, but I couldn't plug it in before. I had one of those little light things. I guess I'm going to have to order another one. It's made it real easy to just plug in there, and it's got the little LED light on it. And I can check every one of them. If you wire an entire wall and nothing happens, maybe you made the same screw up that I did. Let me know in the comments, not only if it helped you, but let me know if you made some other screw up that caused a problem and what you did to fix it. Because maybe somebody else reading the comments or watching this that got a different problem. Maybe they had the problem you had and not the problem I had, and we can help them out too. Hope that helps. And hey, thank you so much for hanging out with me during my shenanigans. If you want to see more repair videos and stuff that I've done wrong and corrections and figured out, that's going to be in the link that appears at the bottom of the screen. If you want to see more of my tool reviews, that will be in the link that will appear at the top of the screen. And if you want to share your videos and your pictures of your projects and the stuff that you've been doing in order to try to help people out that are trying to fix things, Saneauto Facebook page, and I'm building out the Saneauto.com website. May not have it up yet where you can share your stuff, but I'm planning on having that up. Maybe it is up by the time you see this video. Don't tell YouTube, but I'm also on Rumble.